Hola clase, vamos a ver lo que ustedes tienen que entregar para esta semana. Vamos a ver lo que hay en el course outline de la clase. Estamos ya en la semana 8. Para el miércoles 7 de octubre, ustedes tienen que hacer las tareas en Connect, ¿okay?, de cultura. Y para el domingo 11 de octubre tienen que entregar el proyecto cultural y eso es a través de Blackboard. Bien. So please make sure that you complete the tareas that are via Connect on Wednesday. Typically you have Learn Smart activities due on Wednesdays. So just remember that this time it is going to be your Connect activities and that on Sunday you have your cultural project due on Blackboard. Okay, so let's check out the Connect that we have due. Okay, estamos en la semana 8. Es de capítulo 3, cultura, and it's 70 points, so that means that it is 7 questions long, so it's not that long. Just make sure to complete the culture activities here on Wednesday. And then we have, if you go to our course content page, you scroll down till you find the culture project. The information is already here, so you do need to watch one of these films or series, and then you're going to reflect critically on the film or series. You may do so in either English or Spanish. The minimum page length is 2 pages. The maximum page length is 4 pages. You should follow the same formatting guidelines that we had for the escrituras, for the composiciones. So please make sure you are using the same guidelines. I've written them here, but you also have the example that is in the announcements from the composiciones. Okay, so when you are completing your critical reflection, you are not limited to these topics, nor is it required to include them, but it's just a starting point for you to begin your critical reflection. You can discuss how the film or series relates or doesn't relate to you and your life, and explain. You can analyze the language or languages used. Is it Spanish, English, a mixture of the two, other languages? Explain. And you can also explore the cultural aspects of the film and how they differ or don't differ from San Antonio or wherever you may be from. The options are here. El Norte, Roma, Gentefied, Jane the Virgin, El Laberinto del Fauno, or Pan's Labyrinth, Tesis, Élite, Mi Familia, My Family, Sin Nombre, Narcos, Narcos México, and La Mala Educación. Okay, and you will actually turn it in here under course content. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions.